How to unpin a message on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unpin a message on Discord mobile. First go to Discord and then go to your server and then select the channel you want. And now let's try to pin some messages like hi. And now you need to find this one, click on it and hold on the message you want to unpin and then click this one, click on it, and now all you need to do is just click this one, unpin, and as you see the message has been unpinned. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.